Right. I think I'm going to put one more layer on here. And then let it sit for the night. This is just West Epoxy 205 and 105. And I use this on everything. I should probably do 2 squirts because that's what I did earlier, and I'm probably gonna need that. I just had a sweet idea for this license plate. I'm trying to think of like the best way to make a license plate look good on a bike. Why don't I make the license plate into the fender? Dude, all I have to do is like put it flat and then lay down some fiber. What? That is a crazy idea. I'm gonna do that. That looks sweet. Carbon fiber with the plate built in. Yeah, why not? Be fun to do.